you imagine ever having to save your school report on a cassette tape? It's like 20 pages of regular text, not even a full book. So, how would you do it? This is a computer from 1979. I got a screen right up here. I type in cload, I hit return, I get a beep, you hit play on the recorder/player, and then you hit return again, and you'll start to see it spin. These programs are unfortunately very hit or miss, but I put a little 10-line program in, and hopefully that should work. Come on, come on. Give me my stuff. Come on. Oh. It's farting the data out. Yes. And there you have it. GR.0 turns you, set L period, and see the whole line of text. And that's what it took to load, about 20 seconds. Thank you very much, and that's an Atari 400 and the Atari 410. Goodbye.